Okay, so let's look at the kanji for that represents the primary school, junior school, and senior high school. Now you have a lot of kanji in front of you, but they're all signs that's found in front of schools. Some are written vertically, some are written horizontally. But how do you tell which school it is? Is it primary, junior, or senior high? So let's find out what kanji we need for that to happen. Okay, so the kanji that's in focus is actually on course book page 38, but I have organized also on the left hand side the most important kanji that would indicate to you what school level we're talking about. The first kanji is small, okay? That's pronounced as sho. Okay, shogakko. If you put gakko afterwards, it means a small school, therefore primary school. You'll find that on your course book page 38 at the bottom right corner, there's also a list of those schools, okay? Now the way to remember this is a primary school is the kanji are small, but also the sound sho. It's a little like show and tell, okay? We tend to do a lot of show and tell in primary school. So show and tell for shogakko, okay? Repeat, shogakko, shogakko. Excellent. So shogakko is small or primary school. And let's move up one level up, which is the junior high school. It's from year 7 to 9. And we use this kanji, which means middle, okay? It's a flat rectangular box with a line cutting through the middle, okay? The middle. And this is pronounced chu, chu, chugakko, chugakko, okay? You put school after it, it becomes the middle school or the junior high school, okay? Please stick to the junior high school definition in the future. So shogakko is show and tell for primary school. For junior high school, you're a little bit more adult, but you still like your anime, especially Pikachu. Okay, Pikachu, chugakko. Okay, Pikachu for junior high, chugakko. Now next, ko involves this kanji. Now if you're not sure how this kanji comes about, course book page 38 has a really nice picture. It has towers being stacked up together. In fact, it does come from the idea of a tall watchtower over the castle gate. So you would see that with this kanji. Down the bottom, we have a square-looking sort of arch. Okay, that's a main gate that's guarding an even smaller gate. Okay, in the olden times, that's the construction of castles. Okay, big gates guarding another smaller gate, another gate, and another gate. And on top of the gate, we have a big window for lookouts. On top of the window, we have a chimney and a rooftop. Okay, that indicates the pointed roof construction in the ancient Chinese kingdom. Okay, so this tower-like, watchtower-like kanji is, it means high, and it's pronounced ko. Now, shogakko, chugakko. But senior high is not kogakko, unfortunately. It is just ko. Okay? If you want to see what the kanji is, refer to course book page 38, the bottom right corner, where it says senior secondary. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the 3 levels of schooling from year 1 to year 12. So repeat after me. Primary school, shogakko. Show and tell. Excellent. Junior high school is Pikachu, chugakko. Excellent. Now senior high, you're a lot more sophisticated. You start wearing branded goods, and remember if you don't know the brand, Coco Chanel. Okay, Chanel is a brand, and the name is Coco. Coco, Coco. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So this is just a picture depicting where the ko kanji actually comes from, and here's a picture with the correct stroke order. Okay, so the watchtower-like structure. Now, on your course book page, workbook page 27, task J, we have 3 signs. Now, firstly, the circle part, you're going to write them in hiragana. Okay, the first one, which school level is that? That's right, the middle one. So junior high school, and the pronunciation is chugakko. Chugakko. Now I'm going to write it on a Word document so that you can see what it is. Okay. So the first one is, just let me move the screen a bit. Okay. jugakko. I'll spell that in hiragana, please. Jugakko. And jugakko in kanji is jugakko, like that. Now pause the video if you need to, take some time to write it down. Otherwise, I'm going to continue. Okay, and the second one, let's have a look. What school level are we talking about? That's right, it is primary school. And we write shogakko. Shogakko. And in kanji, jisai. And then gakko after that. Okay, pause the video if you need more time. Otherwise, let's move on to the next one. Now, this one we didn't touch on before. What's that kanji over there? It means big. That's right. So we have small, medium, we have tall. How about big? What do you think will be a big learning place? It is for uni. That is correct. Okay, and the pronunciation for uni, it is dai, as in daisuki, and gaku, as in gakusei. Dai gaku. Dai gaku. Okay, so I hope that explains the kanji in terms of the hiragana pronunciation. Okay, thank you very much. That's it for today.